Harrington, you ask me that every single time we play this game. Okay. Well, you're sorry if you're streaming because I've got the hiccups. I ate that last. Oh man,
On the car.
there's a bike right there.
Get me. Come get me. Come get me. Come get me.
I'm coming.
Carrington said, I'm coming, I'm coming.
It's only a two-seater too, Mason. We can't come get you.
Stretching it.
Mason's still parachuting. You can actually see him up in the sky from where I am right now. Jesus,
Will,
bro.
what the hell? How the hell did that happen? Like, how does that happen? I'm literally holding the brake and just turning, like, so it can flip right. It should not, like, it's not like I've turned the pitch down. I was holding it back, just like you should. Jesus Christ.
It's because you personally suck.
I know. It has nothing to do. That was not me at all. And you know that was not me.
No, yes, it was. Yes, you want to get this car so we have a car?
Yeah.
See ya. See ya, nerd.
Mason's getting it right now.
I know, man.
He's about to land right here by the greenhouse, I think, aren't you, Mason? We're pretty damn close
Close
to
to it. Work with what I got, man.
These nuts.
No.
it. Do you just want to run right past this and go to your church? I know you like the church, so I'm going to leave it alone for you. Unless Harrison goes and takes it off.
Well, you might, Harrison. I don't think it's nobody from me. Sorry, the first place he's going.
Notice how he's quiet right now, right?
Yeah.
What? I'm just going to the church now. No big deal.
Exactly. That's what we're just
That's what I said. That's the first place he's going.
No, I'm running
not the
by
first.
it.
He
I'm
always
running
goes to
past
the
the
restaurant first.
church to go to these houses.
Oh, you're picking the shit up on the picnic tables outside. though.
I took one box of 5.56 off the table. But that's all I took.
Oh, and the M4.
That's probably
right
the
here.
only thing that-
Thank you.
I didn't take an M4. I left the
I'm
M4.
saying thanks for leaving it.
Mommy's here. Mommy's here.
That's my mommy.
Ooh, Mason.
You can't tell that this kid. You can't tell this kid that she don't like. You can't. Never mind. Don't worry about it.
Mama's
She
girl.
likes her mom. You get
What are you
it.
trying to say?
Yeah.
I fucked up my my statement right. Then, so
My words don't work.
Yeah, that's exactly what just happened.
What is English?
Are you eating your lunch?
She is. She went right to sleep when we got back here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chippies! Stop. Be easy, Callie. You don't have to use the salsa, you can just use the cheese.
She just wants to tell you that she doesn't like it, Mom.
Dude, I played a game last night where the only gun I picked up was a VSS, and I played a VSS only game.
Nice. Well, now that Amanda's here, I can ask her now, Mason, and then
Oh, yeah, I didn't need to come with it.
you can go ahead and get your stuff tonight, then.
Alright, so I'll come get it Monday. I already left.
Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Hey, honey, what do we got going on tomorrow evening? I think they're supposed to have people during the day, though.
Eat your food first.
Oh, that was exactly what I wanted. Cool. Well, I won 2 free movie tickets today. Yeah.
How?
It was something on the
Jerked off a guy in
radio
the alley.
on 100.7. Harrison said I JO'd a guy in the alley. But no, it was on 100.7. They had like a text such and such to this number, and I won 2 free movie tickets.
Nice. We're gonna find the babysitter then, huh?
Yeah.
You winning shit all the time, Dean. You need to play the lottery.
Shotguns,
Yeah,
movie
dude, it doesn't work
tickets,
like that, trust me.
Asian massages.
You already go pick them up, or what?
No, it's an app. I had to download the app, but I got it downloaded already. So what?
Nah, for real, Dean.
We'll go later.
You're winning all this shit.
Yeah,
need
you
to
should be
play
buying
some
more
numbers.
lottery tickets, man.
I do play the lottery, man. It doesn't work out for me in my favor. I win like the biggest thing I ever win is like the shotgun and stuff. Like that's it. I don't win anything.
You never
more
win
than-
like a scratch-off ticket, $50. Or...
Yeah, that. But that's what I'm saying. That's why I said the biggest thing.
Daddy's gotta go, and mommy doesn't know how to play.
That's easy. You could figure that out pretty quickly. Ooh.
But you seen a car 98?
No. But if I do, you can have it.
Daddy has to go to graduation.
Yeah, Daddy does not want to go to graduation. Daddy is drinking a beer before he goes to graduation.
That's today.
Yeah.
What time?
No,
6:30.
no.
But I gotta be there at 4:30.
What, like Clayton High School during graduation?
Yeah, I have to work it. Yeah.
What do you mean work it?
Like we have to work the graduation.
What do you mean work it?
No, baby, you have to.
Like
Like
you're
teachers, we have
stripping
to
at
work
the party?
graduation.
I'm okay.
Yes. We have to like
Yeah.
do all the
Part of your
crap.
job, you have
I
to
mean,
be
we
there.
set up today and stuff. Yep.
Move, Kelly.
It's
Callie, move.
awesome. I just love the fact that I have to go to.
I'm sure she does, but they're yours to eat. And you eat them.
Do they
So,
actually give
movie,
high school
or
diplomas to
did
those
you-
kind of
did you
children you
decide on
work
that?
with?
Wait, yes, she said yes as long as we found a babysitter.
All right. So if
And
you
which-
get your,
that's pretty easy.
are you gonna call up there and do what you did last time, or what?
No, I'll use this app because I have to go through the app to do it, and then just
Okay.
because I didn't call last time. I bought it online, but what I did was is when I figured out like that we switched the times or whatever, so you guys could go. What I did was call them and tell them that and see if they could hold the next 2 for you guys, so that you guys
Yeah.
could make sure that y'all sat with me, and they did. But if you go, there's an Alamo app where you can buy tickets anyway. If you want to go ahead and do that, it's really easy. When I'm done with this, yes.
Well, when you're buying
Mommy will play it
tickets,
with you.
let me know what the availability is looking at. Like, cause
Okay.
like I said, I would just stop there because I got to go into Raleigh for work tomorrow anyway, and I go past New Bern.
Okay. The blue
So
lines get ready
if
to be here.
it's not too bad, I could just get them tomorrow.
Okay. Carrington, yes, you do. You've been eating it. Relax, guy. I like amen, right, kid? Give me an amen.
Amen.
One of the funniest things that's on his thing is when
Ken
it's the
Kniff
2
skit.
dudes and it's
Yeah.
yes,
Eminem.
and it's
Eminem. Oh, that's what you want, Eminem? Get up. Give it back. Get out of here. Oh, Shaggy. Ooh, Shaggy. This shit's funny. Yeah, give it back to Tommy Two-Tone for a minute. Yeah, yeah.
There's a bike in the restaurant.
Yeah, that's
I
my
got a
bike.
I got a dune buggy.
My bike, that's what I'm driving.
Y'all
So
coming
where
or
we
what?
going? Yasnia. I got my own vehicle.
I'm checking one more house. Mason Drive, Dean.
All right, well, I got a vehicle, so
Alright.
I do too.
if you got a bike, I got one. I'm out.
Yeah, I'm
All right,
good.
Mason, I'm following you, buddy.
I'm finishing checking this house.
His bike's
There we
all the
go.
way at the restaurant. So,
I know. I'm right by
so
the
we're gonna go to
restaurant.
Yasnia? We're just gonna go to Yasnia?
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
And that thing shouldn't be that much faster than me. You were hauling
The
ass
dune buggy
past
is
me.
way too slow for this game.
On this map, I feel like it's faster than the other one.
It drives
That's 'cause
better
it's-
on the
it's
desert
because
map.
Well, it's also because that the other cars on that map are so daggone slow that it's like the best. It's the best
But
daggone
it feels like it's
vehicle
going
in that
fast.
map. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Watch
not that
Harrison
it's
like
really
beat us
fast.
there
It's
on
just,
the bike.
just faster than those.
No, he's not even
pieces
on the
of
bike
shit.
yet.
Oh, he's not even on the bike yet. He ain't worried about getting.
Anybody
Hey,
got a
here's
s-
a Dacia right in front
Anybody
of us.
have a scope?
Go to the left, Dean. Go behind Yasnia. Oh,
Does anybody have a scope?
No, I
No.
do not.
All right, cause I got a sniper. I just need a scope. I'll be there in 4 seconds.
Teacher.
or should we keep going to the new zone?
I say we stay here and loot it for a second.
Alright, I'm gonna leave. My house is right here.
I need me like a 2 times or 4 times for this AR, and I'd be good to go. Does anybody need an extended mag for an AR?
No, I'm good.
Mason,
Mm-mm.
drop these 2.
I hear Harrison.
Me too. I was about to say that. I was like, here he
Another vehicle
comes.
coming in. We're coming on our
Oh,
side
you've
too.
got to be kidding me. Good purpose,
Dean's
go.
game crashed.
Well, Dean,
That's-
you got 30
that's-
seconds. You won't get back in time. I know that.
The good news is I am right beside the my
Car.
vehicle. Yeah. You want a knuckle sandwich, little girl? We'll give you a knuckle sandwich.
You talk
I
to
am.
children like that?
Knuckle sandwich right for you.
Oh
Yeah,
my God.
I treat my children like that. Don't you get knuckle sandwiches all the time, Carrington?
Mommy, Daddy's saying he's gonna
Yes.
give me a Nucky sandwich.
There we go.
All right, I'm going to the new zone.
All right, go ahead.
I'm gonna go.
Dean, what's your status?
Yeah. I'm loading in.
All right.
I hear a doom buggy.
That's me.
I hear shots. And the circle just passed me. Harrison just passed me. Still not in though. But I can hear all this crap going on.
Your health's almost at 50%.
There we go. I'm back.
Well, I got a spot marked on the coast.
I found a 4X for my Mini 14, so I'm kind of okay
You got a
right now.
2X?
Yeah, I have a 2X.
Can I steal that from you, please?
You can have it. If you steal from me, I'll be forced to report you to the police. Oh, Mason, Mason, I crashed a little too hard. I hit the building a little too hard.
You break in and you
Mason,
slid into
I
it?
crashed a little too hard.
Thank you, brother.
Oh crap, I hope I got enough gas to get me off. I'm coming in hot. I'm not going along. I'm taking the trip up the mountain over here. Uh-oh. There we go. Woo.
You might need 7.62. There's a bunch of 7.62 in this building.
I do.
There's like 60, 80 rounds in this building upstairs.
Oh, wrong build.
Out of here, bro.
Damn it.
My little shack of love.
Get out of here.
It's this building. It's this one upstairs, dude.
Hey, can I get that 2X?
No, I gave it to someone else.
Is there 45 anywhere? Anybody see 45 ammo?
I do not.
Is there any in that other two-story, Harrison?
No, I don't think so. I'll drop that
Dean, you wanna do
2X
yourself
downstairs
before we
there.
leave?
I know, I just saw it. Thank you.
Yeah, you might want to heal before we leave too, dude.
I am. I'm working on it.
You can ride with me, or we can ride together.
I ran over here to check this other house real quick. I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am.
Is there any gas over here, or do you have a vehicle too?
I got one. It's back here. Right here.
Are we on it? I say, you think we can make it on foot? No.
I'm gonna go around the coast and go to the side
Whoa,
of. the
easy
thoroughfare.
there, Seabiscuit.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Nice.
Yep, I'm getting off of that.
Why
I
would
didn't
y'all-
know that
why
it
would you
dropped
do
down like
that?
I didn't know it dropped like that.
We've been playing this map for months, bro.
My bad, dude.
Jesus Christ. I was healing. I was healing nicely with my boosters. I had to use my med kit because I knew if I didn't, I was going to die.
All right, we need to get away from this flat land.
I'm going to the backside of the Povica. I got marked right there where those buildings are.
What do you mean the backside?
No,
of
go over there with
Laconia?
Harrison. Go over there with Harrison.
Where I got
How about
marked.
that?
We need to get up on a hill somewhere.
We ought to try up there behind the prison, up there in those rocks. Like we
Yeah,
like
that's
to go
where I'm
do.
headed. Up on this mountain. Dibs.
Oh, that's good.
I'm about to get this care package. And it's exactly where we're going, too.
Woo! Oh, I hate sitting in the back of this doom buggy. Leave
Yep.
it. Go.
It's my sniper that I wanted.
All right, well, let me get
We're
that
at the
4
new
times.
zone.
No, it didn't come with a scope.
Let's stay the rocks over here in the new zone.
That's what I said. Your sniper didn't come with a thing?
No, it did not come with a scope.
That's dumb. I feel like they should, if you get a care package and you get a sniper, it should have a scope.
It just came with an AWM and 20 bullets. Ghillie suit. Millie vest.
Would you switch the sniper out for?
A Mini 14. In the paper, the news, every day I am. Radio won't even play my jam.
Are your chips good, Carrington? They sure look like they are.
She doing a little food dance.
Yeah.
I can hear her chewing those chips.
That's because this
She is
daggone
she
mic
is
doesn't have
chomping on them things. Mouth wide open too, I bet.
No, she's actually giving them to Callie. You're probably hearing Callie chew on them.
Oh.
Oh no. He's hearing Carrington.
Oh, he is? Oh. Apparently you're hearing Carrington.
You're chewing loud. Yes, you are. It's okay.
Hey, I thought I heard people running up, but it's Harrison running around us in
Woo!
circles the whole time.
What up?
Yeah, he just won't sit still.
I know, dude. Why don't you just sit still somewhere? You're in a ghillie
I'm
suit.
looking for people.
I'm looking to win.
Let me tell you
We're
something,
letting
man.
people look for you.
I've got solo chicken dinners. Okay, what y'all got?
Hey, it's okay that you're chewing loudly.
This ain't solo.
Lately, I've been literally playing very aggressive. Like I've just been playing very aggressive lately, and I get a lot of kills, man. I get a lot of kills.
Oh, we gotta move. We can wait.
All right, we got
Let's
people.
Wait.
We got people coming.
We're waiting.
55 people coming from the northeast. I hear them. I hear gunshots getting closer.
We can just go along the cliffs here. We don't even have to.
Dude, how do I know? God damn it, someone stole my kill. Hold up, hold up, hold up. We got guys like 65 or 55, 60.
Stop. Stop. Don't do that.
I'm pushing the zone, man.
Right here, we got two guys. Guys. 55, 60. hit 2 of them. I hit 2. Ah, shit. I gotta heal.
Killed 2 people.
Good job. There's still another one by the rock, at the rock.
I see him.
Right by you, Mason.
Got him.
Good job, Dean.
There's one coming down here at can't see my numbers, northeast.
I'm at the rock.
I'm here.
They're up the hill from us, so watch up the hill.
Oh, won't let me loot his stuff.
Yo, behind us. Is that you, Dean? Did you shoot me?
No, I did not.
Grenades.
Woo!
I'm down. Right behind us. Right here. Right by me. Yeah.
Got him.
Get me up. I'm right here.
Nice. I got you.
Thank you. Good job.
You're welcome.
Be careful looting. Need a scope. I'm gonna take that level 3 helmet.
I did
It's half
too.
shot up.
Does anybody have an AR barrel attachment?
No.
We gotta move. It's only 8 others. There's one right here somewhere.
God, I gotta heal so bad.
Buildings.
I gotta get in the line and lay down and heal. Car right here. I'm healing, so I can't shoot. Nice. Woo, baby.
Oh, down.
Hold on. You're good.
I'm pushing to the
You're good.
houses.
Dean, stop.
You're gonna
Stop.
lose
Stop.
it, though, man.
Stop.
Look at the next zone. Why are you going over to the houses, man? That next zone is.
There's a
gonna
guy
be
on the
coming
hill
right on you.
pushing to you. He's coming to your right. I hit him. He's coming to you, Harrison.
I know. Someone just killed him. Someone just sniped him.
Hold on, babe.
Someone's shooting me from very close. I don't know from where, though. Yes! Yes!
Mason?
Yeah! Yeah!
Dude! 6 kills, bitches, and he hit me.
Yes! Woo! Dude,
Nice job.
that's
Nice.
Buildings, because I knew we had numbers. There was 5 people left. I saw the other guy, and the other guy was near me, so we had that. That's why I pushed.
Yes!